destroying this expo marker in case you've ever wondered what's inside an expo marker. Well, it's clearly destroyed. Got this and this side. This won't draw. What happens if we try and smash it again? More came off. I don't know what's with. I mean, this won't draw. It kind of draws a little bit, but we'll see what's inside. Yeah, well, that's what's inside of an expo marker. That's going to be it for this episode. Don't know why you would wonder what's inside an expo marker, but if you ever did, here you go. Bye.